What are seller paid closing costs? Seller paid closing costs are exactly what they sound like. It is when the sellers are covering your closing costs. Well, why in the world would the sellers want to pay for your closing costs? I promise it is not just always out of the goodness of their heart. It is just negotiated in. It is another way of financing your closing costs. For easy math, let's do it this way. Let's say you're purchasing a $300,000 house and your closing costs are $9,000. You could ask the seller to contribute $9,000 towards your closing costs, but maybe then you offer the seller $309,000. So you maybe pay a little more and then you finance the cost of those closing fees over the life of the loan over 30 years versus spending that extra $9,000 out of pocket. People utilize this strategy so that they can bring less money to closing. And typically, you can't even see a difference in the monthly payment because $9,000 financed over 30 years really isn't a lot of money. So it's a really good option if you're able to negotiate it with the sellers.